After data types, there is a really important thing which is called modifiers. In Java, we have two types of modifiers. First is Java SS modifiers and second one is non-SS modifiers. Java SS modifiers define about your class, like it would be publicly available, it would be privately available, or it would be protected. So these are some restrictions or some modifiers in Java SS modifiers. Okay, in non-SS modifiers there's a static, final and other things. So let's discuss them. According to Java documentation, here you can see, private. If we set a private keyword with our class or with our variable, it means this variable or this class would be only visible in that class. It means this class is only visible in that package, and in that variable would be only visible in that class. If we put a public with our class, it means this class would be visible to all app. And if we place a public with variable, it means this variable would be available for every class in this package. After public and private, we have protected. Protected means this variable would be available or visible to all subclasses of this class, just this class and all subclasses. And if we place a protected with a class, it means this class would be visible to all classes in that package. Okay, so when we move on to non-SS modifiers, these are static, final, abstract and synchronized. Static means if we place a static keyword with our variable, it means this variable would be same for all instances of this class. Means every object, whenever you create attributes in a class or variables in class, it varies. They vary with every object. Means for, if we take an example of bicycle, in example of bicycle the model would be same for all, but maybe the manufacturing number would be different for every object. But if we make something static, it means this static variable would be same for all instances of the class. Like if you want to count the number of instances or count number of loop in some loop or in something, so you need to place that static keyword with that variable. The final keyword means this thing is not gonna change, it's finalized. Okay. Abstract modifier, if we place abstract keyword with class, it means this class is not going to be initiated, means no object can be made by this class. And synchronized and volatile I'll teach you about later while we move on to threads. So these are some modifiers, and these are really useful in Java to have access and for security also. So that's all for this tutorial. In next tutorial we'll jump into NetBeans and we'll do some serious coding, and hope for the best, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks a lot.